Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use lossless scaling to upscale your games and add frame generation, no matter what rendering API your game uses. Whether you're looking for better visuals or higher FPS, I'll guide you through the setup step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your game for lossless scaling. First, go into your game settings and make sure you're using borderless full screen, aka windowed full screen, or windowed mode. Exclusive full screen won't work. Now, let's start with upscaling in borderless full screen mode. Step 2. Choosing the right upscaling settings. Once borderless mode is selected, open lossless scaling and choose your upscaling type and scale factor. 1.0x equals native resolution, no upscaling. 1.3x equals ultra quality. 1.5x equals quality. 1.7x equals balanced. 2.0x equals performance. Best for FPS boost. You can also enter a custom value for fine-tuned control. Tip: enable resize before scaling to prevent the game from just zooming in instead of properly resizing. Step 3. Applying the upscaling. Once your settings are ready, apply upscaling using one of these methods. Click the Scale button and select your game window. Use a hotkey. Set a custom hotkey in the settings, then press it while in-game. Once activated, your game will upscale, and if you check your FPS counter, you should see a performance boost. To disable upscaling, just press the hotkey again, enabling frame generation, LSFG. Now let's talk about lossless scaling frame generation, LSFG, to achieve smoother gameplay. Open lossless scaling and disable upscaling by setting scaling type to off. Important: cap your FPS to half of your monitor's refresh rate for the best results. Now, go to the frame generation section and select the latest available version. At the time of writing, the latest version is LSFG 3.0. Select it. Choose your mode, X2, X3, or X4, which will double, triple, or quadruple your FPS. Once everything is set, click Scale to apply LSFG in your game. Step 6. Choosing the best upscaling method. Which upscaling method should you use? For pixel/sprite games, integer scaling or nearest neighbor works best. For 3D games, AMD FSR, LS1, or XBR are great choices. LS1 provides the sharpest visuals, but it can sometimes oversharpen. AMD FSR is more balanced if LS1 looks too sharp for your game. Use the sharpness slider to adjust. If it's too sharp, lower it. If it's too blurry, increase it. Final thoughts. And that's it. Now you know how to use lossless scaling for upscaling and frame generation to get the best performance and visuals in your games. If this guide helped you, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you want more AI, gaming, and optimization content. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.